Life below water is the heart of our planet health. SDG 14 focus on conserving and sustainably using ocean, sea and marine resources. Ocean provide us oxygen, regulate the climates and support the livelihoods of millions worldwide. Yet, these vital ecosystems are under threat. Today, we are exploring the significance of SDG 14 and what can we do to protect our blue planet. Our campaign aims to raise awareness about the importance of SDG 14 and threat to our oceans. Second one is to inspire action against plastic pollution, overfishing, and coral reef degradations. And lastly, we would like to promote sustainable practices and community involvement for healthier oceans. Together, we can restore balance and preserve life below water for generations to come. Our oceans are under siege due to the combination of human activities and environmental factors. Let's examine the key factors and their far-reaching effects. The first one is plastic pollution. 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean yearly. Much of it single-use items like bottles, straw, and bags. Poor waste management and lack of recycling exacerbate the issue effect, which cause marine animals mistake plastic for food and leading to starvation or death. Microplastic enters the food chain, posing health risks to humans. And lastly, polluted beaches impact tourism and local economies. Overfishing. Unsustainable fishing practice like trawling and illegal fishing reduce the fish stock faster than they can replenish. Weak enforcement for fishing regulation and contributes to problem effects such as disrupted marine ecosystem as species critical to the food chain disappear. The second one is economic hardships for fishermen relying on diminishing resources. Lastly, increased seafood price. In Malaysia, for example, overfishing is threatening to the livelihood of coastal fishermen. Declining fish stocks force them to travel further, invest more, and catch less. This unsustainable practice not only harms the environment but also disrupts community reliance on fishing for survival. To protect their future, we must embrace sustainable fishing practice and scarcity impacting global food security. And lastly, coral bleaching. Rising temperatures are killing coral reefs, which serve as nursery for countless marine species. This health of our ocean directly affects food security, climate stability, and economic livelihoods. Urgent action is needed to reverse this trend. Rising greenhouse gas emission leads to higher ocean temperature and acidification, disrupting marine habitats. The effect which cause coral bleaching and mass die-off on reef, critical for marine biodiversity. Second, loss of coastal protection against storm and erosions. Lastly, shift in fish migration patterns making traditional fishing grounds less viable. Coral reefs are often called rainforests of the sea, yet rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification are causing widespread of coral bleaching. In Malaysia, reefs that once thrived are now dying, jeopardizing marine biodiversity and tourism. Protecting our oceans starts with addressing climate change and reducing carbon emissions. The effects on these factors are interconnected, creating vicious circle. A polluted ocean cannot sustain life, and its collapse will impact ecosystem, economies, and human well-being on a global scale. But there's a hope. By addressing these factors, we can mitigate the damage and restore balance to our oceans. The challenges are immense, but so are the possibilities. By reducing plastic use, supporting sustainable fisheries, and addressing climate change, we can protect our ocean and the life they sustain. SDG 14 isn't just a goal, it's a call to action. The ocean needs us, and we need the oceans. Let's act now for sustainable future.